In our yesterday's, that means in our previous class, I have discussed about arrays, and here we created a one-dimensional array. In present class, I am going to explain about the Java. Okay, how to create a two-dimensional array. I will write one simple program and I try to explain how to creation of a two-dimensional array. Okay. Before that, just a small explanation about two-dimensional arrays and what the program that you are going to be write, and all the things will be discussed here. Wait, I am sharing my screen. Okay, is my screen visible to all of you now? Okay, two-dimensional arrays is the topic of ours. Whether it is two-dimensional or multi-dimensional, whatever it may be, first you should remember whether it is two-dimensional arrays or multi-dimensional arrays, whatever it may be, compulsory we are assigning values in from the form of rows and columns. These two are very important. We should very clear about this while we are assigning values to a two-dimensional array. The two terms, one is rows and second one is columns. For example, if I'm entering two rows and two columns, then the formation of that array is just like that. Okay, that means in two-dimensional array, we are going to create a matrix formations, whether it is a rectangular matrix or a square matrix, whatever it may be. By using two-dimensional arrays, I am going to create a matrix format. I am going to implement the words rows and columns in the share. Okay, in here. So how to assign, how to create rows and how to use, I would like to explain with a program here. Okay, just I am opening my notepad. Okay, now I am taking a new file and saved as and save as. Now two dim two-dimensional of Java source file it is. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is my import some java dot lang dot star and some import java dot io dot star. Okay, I am using scanner statement here, so I am import java dot util dot star. I
Sir,
think I
notepad not visible, sir.
oh wait. Okay, is it visible to you now?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, just three packages I needed for this program. For first one is import java.lang.star, second one java.io.star, and I'm going to use the scanner statement also here. Okay, on this purpose, I'm using import java.util.star is the package I needed here. So my keyword is class, and my program name is two-dimensional, 2dim. Okay, and I'm writing main methods, some public static void main of string args is my main method. Here I am using the scanner class. So scanner sc equal to some new scanner of where the input I am taking, that means system dot in. I am taking input from this. Okay, scanner sc equal to new scanner. Okay, this is the statement I am going to input, taking input from the keyboard by using this class. That means scanner class. System dot in means library. Okay, is it clear all of you? Okay, next here. First, I would like to take rows. int r equal to new, sorry, sc dot next int. Okay, I am taking value, how many rows? Okay, how many rows and how many columns? It completely user requirement. For example, if I am going 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows and 2 columns. If I am going to 2 by 3 matrix, number of rows 2, number of columns 3. The values what I am giving here is completely my decision. Is it very clear? So, but I would like to take the value from the keyboard. So just I am using the scanner class object here. So int r equal to sc dot next int. In the same way, columns int c equal to some sc dot next int. So just here I am assigning rows values and columns values. Now I am assigning values to the matrix. System dot out dot some print. Okay, I am writing one statement, enter elements. Enter elements. Just my statement is just one printed statement, just I have written here. Now I am using for loop for I equal to 0 and I less than r in the sense rows. ఓకే, ఆల్రెడీ రో వాల్యూ నేను ఇస్తున్నానండి, పైన ఇన్పుట్ ఇస్తున్నాను. ఆ రో వాల్యూ ఇక్కడ రావాలి నాకు. కాబట్టి ఐ ఈక్వల్ టు 0, ఐ లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ అండ్ ఐ ప్లస్ ప్లస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఫర్ లూప్ స్టేట్మెంట్. అండ్ అగైన్ ఐ ఆమ్ యూజింగ్ ఫర్ another variable, just mentioned int I equal to 0 and that shows errors. Int j equal to 0. Okay, j less than column or c. Okay, and j plus plus. This is my second for loop. Okay, 2 for loops I am using now. Clearly, why we are using in a previous one dimensional array? Just I used only one. Okay, only one. That means one dimension, one single dimension. So I use only one for loop, but I am creating an array here that is completely 2 dimension. Now I am creating an array of int type, int arr of, okay, new int of, first one is rows and the second one is columns. Here what the statement I have written here, that int arr is the array I am creating here. Okay, in that array it contains 2 elements. First one is rows and second one is columns. I would like to mention here the value, that is int array equal to, the operator is new, and int rc, r in the sense rows of size of rows, c in the sense size of the columns. For example, if I am giving r equal to 2, c equal to 2 from the keyboard, I am going to create a 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix means how many elements? 2 by 2 matrix means how many elements? Is my voice audible?
4.
Students?
4.
Right, 4 elements. For example, 2 by 3 in the sense 6 elements. 3 by 3 in the sense 9 elements. That's not the question. The syntax is the important one. Just you are assign int arr is your array. Okay, it contains size of rows and size of columns also here. Okay, now I am writing arr of ij equal to, our variable is sc dot next int of, okay, just it's take the values. So I am opening 2 for loops and I am closing 2 for loops also. Now I am going to print this, print the matrix for I equal to 0 and I less than r and I plus plus. Okay, again for j equal to 0, j less than c and j plus plus. Okay, and I am right here at the statement system dot out dot print of, okay, ARR of I J. Okay, let's need this place also. And system dot some out dot print of some backslash n. Yeah, this is my program. Oh, how many batches I am opening? Just I am closing. Yeah, completely. This is the program. Simply, I am creating a two-dimensional array. My array name is ARR. Array name is ARR. Okay. It contains rows and columns. I know it completely. I mentioned about rows and I mentioned about columns. Here I am taking the size of this array from the keyboard. So I am for this purpose I am writing the class scanner. Scanner is equal to new scanner of system.in. Okay. First for loop indicates about rows and second for loop indicates about columns. Okay. And the loop, if I am taking 2 by 2 matrix, that means 4 elements has to be entered. The loops returns, that means the loop covers 4 times. At the same time, I am going to print it. The what I have read the array from the keyboard, just I would like to print it. For this purpose, I am writing 2 for loops again. System out print of error of ij. That means I am mentioning here. Okay. Next one. Can you please? Okay, is it clear, all of you? Next. Just please wait. Yeah, he is the that I am. Okay, now I am closing the sharing here. I am opening my command prompt. We will run this program. Okay. Okay, guys, wait. So command prompt. Just I am sharing it. Okay, wait. Okay, this is the command prompt. CD desktop and Java C. Yeah, Java C is there. Okay, is the screen visible to all of you now? Someone asks me, sir, in C programming we use dynamic memory allocation. What is difference between C and Java? For dynamic memory allocation, the dynamic memory allocation is an external thing in C. That means you have to use malloc functions, you have to use cloc functions, you have to use free functions. For dynamic allocation of memory is not in C language. It's not an internal concept. Okay, by using these functions we are creating some memory additionally in C. It is an extra burden, I feel that. But in Java I not feel like that. Java is a dynamic memory. While I am creating memory, the memory should be created by using dynamic. Okay, just I am not assigning any free functions, I am not assigning any malloc functions, I am assigning any cloc functions. I don't need this. సిలో మీరు ఎంఎల్ఆక్ వాడి సిఎల్ఆక్ వాడి క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు మెమొరీ. ఓకే, ఓకేనమ్మా. బట్ ఒక విషయం మీరే ఫ్రీ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది, అందుకనే ఫ్రీ ఫంక్షన్ కూడా వాడతారు. బట్ జావాలో డైనమిక్ మెమొరీ మీరు క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు, యూ నో నీడ్ టు ఫ్రీ దట్ మెమొరీ. ఓకే, ద ఆటోమేటిక్ గార్బేజ్ కలెక్షన్ విల్ ఫ్రీ దట్ మెమొరీ. Okay, right, I am executing the program now. Is my screen visible to all of you? I think the command prompt is visible now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Right, I am executing the program now. First one, Java C. My program name is 2dim.java. Okay, one error I got it. A variable j. In my program in variable j, I got the error. Right. Int I equal to int j for int j equal to 0, j less than j plus plus. Okay, what's the error I am mentioning here? Cannot find symbol variable j. Okay, just it's better to read the starting int I comma j. Just save it. Yeah, I'm going to run. Okay, there is no error. Java C to dim. Just I am executing the program. Okay, and what is to dim? Class names is not matched, I think. Just I will find out the error again. Wait. To dim. What's the class name? To dim.java. TWODIM. Okay, wait. To dim are only accepted non-nation. I'm changing the name of my class just once. Okay, Java 2. Oh, sorry. Okay. At the first time I'm entering 2. I'm entering 2. That means I'm assigning rows and columns. How many rows I assigned? 2 rows. And how many columns? 2 columns. That means how many elements?
4.
Yeah, just I'm entering elements. First element is 10, 20, 30, and 40. Yeah, okay. Yes, clearly you mentioned that 10, 20. After that, I need to print the 30 and 40 it down in the second line, but it's not printed like that. Yeah, what the problem is, just I would like to check the code and again I am executed it. Wait. Okay, just wait. Yeah, okay, now. Okay, number of rows 2 and number of columns 2, enter elements 10, 20, 30, and 44 elements I am entering now. What the output? Is it printed the matrix or not?
Yes. Matrix.
Yeah, clear. Okay, it's not a one-dimensional array, it's a two-dimensional array. If I take 3 by 3, there is no problem in it. If I take rows as 3 and columns as 3, it gives 3 by 3. That means how many elements in the 9 elements have to be entered. It forms a 3 by 3 matrix just like this. Is there any doubt in this?
No,
Are
sir.
you clear? Are you clear, all of you?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Just my intention very clear.
సార్ కోడ్ ఒకసారి చూపెట్ నోట్
Yeah.
ప్యాడ్
Wait. Yeah, I'm showing this. Wait. Okay, is it visible now?
ఎస్ సార్
Yeah. Tell me. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. This is the program. Just I read one matrix. Okay, it's a dimension of 2 by 2, and that means 4 elements to be entered by using this for loop. Just the very simple process I have done here. Just the creation of, it's a creation of a 2-dimensional array only. Okay, right. For example, if my intention is to one application that is transpose of a matrix, how to what is meant by transpose? What transpose matrix will do? What transpose matrix will do? Students, for example, just
changes the rows into columns and the columns as rows.
okay, very clear. My intention is my matrix is just like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 is my matrix. Just now I would like to print as okay. So this one, I would like to change my rows as columns and columns as rows. For this purpose, I am writing the code. Okay, just I am modify this code only. Just wait. Just the same program. Now to read the matrix elements, we don't have to change the program again. The first, just I need to change this code of part only. Just my intention is very clear. The for loop is going to be changed only. Okay. Just for I tends to rows and j tends to columns as said in the beginning now. Just I would like to change I tends to columns and rows tends to j tends to rows. So my code is if I equal to 0, I less than c. And for j equal to 0, j less than r. This is the just modification I have done. Okay, just I would like to save this and just I would like to run this program again. Just command prompt has to be shared. Right. Yeah. Okay, Java C 2-dimensional dot array and Java 2D. It's an array of two elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. Okay, this is the matrix that have been changed. Okay, yeah. Earlier I just mentioned this. Okay, 2 and 2, 4 elements. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So in the please check the two outputs. In the first output 1, 2, 3, 4. నేను ఏ ఆర్డర్లో ఇచ్చానో అదే ఆర్డర్లో rows and columns print అయ్యాయి. In the second order, the first matrix or column will be changed to row. Are you identified or not in the output?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, this is the transpose of matrix. Very simple modification just I have done in the second for loop. Okay, already have seen that. Otherwise, I will share you. Wait. This is the code. Just I have done by modification here only. Elements read చేసినప్పుడు మనం ఏమి చేయకలేదు. Elements ప్రింట్ చేసేటప్పుడు మాత్రమే ఇందులో మోడిఫికేషన్ చేసి నేను దాన్ని ట్రాన్స్పోజ్గా కన్వర్ట్ చేశాను. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ I equal to 0, I less than c అని ఇచ్చాను, j equal to j less than r అని ఇచ్చాను. Rows and columns will be changed here. And the output also ARR IJ place లో JI గా ప్రింట్ చేస్తాను. జస్ట్ ఇట్లా ప్రింట్ చేస్తే ఆటోమేటికల్లీ the transpose applications will be done. Are you clear, all of you, about these programs?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I would like to go for some new topic that is important one, that is jagged arrays.
Thank
Yeah, it's very, very important one. This topic is jagged arrays. Okay. What is jagged array if you ask me? For example, if int x of x is a multidimensional array, new int of, just mentioned this. Yeah. రైట్. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఇందాక చేసిన మ్యాట్రిక్స్‌లో ఒక 2/2 ఇచ్చారనుకోండి. ఎన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ వస్తాయని చెప్పారు? 4 ఎలిమెంట్స్ వస్తాయి. 3/3 ఇస్తే ఎన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ వస్తాయి?
9.
9. Just wait. Just I would like to execute it. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is a 2/2 matrix. Okay. You are fixing the, just wait. You are fixing the value. Row size is 2 and column size is 2. Just how many locations? 4 elements will be clear. In Java also, ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ రన్ చేసేటప్పుడు మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాల్సిన విషయం ఏంటంటే, ఇప్పుడు కూడా నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నాను చెప్పనా, ఫిక్స్డ్ సైజే ఇస్తున్నాను. మీరు రో సైజ్ 2 కాలమ్ సైజ్ 2 ఇచ్చేస్తున్నారు అంటే 4 ఎలిమెంట్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయమని ముందే చెప్పేస్తున్నారు అంటే దెర్ ఈజ్ నో క్వశ్చన్ ఆఫ్ డైనమిక్. ఇంకా నేను జావాలో డైనమిక్ ప్రోగ్రామ్లో ఉండి కూడా రో సైజ్ కాలమ్ సైజ్ ముందే ఇవ్వడం ఎలాంటిది అంటే ఇట్స్ కంప్లీట్లీ స్టాటిక్లో బిహేవ్ చేస్తుంది. నా ఇంటెన్షన్ అలా కాదు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఫస్ట్ రోలో 1 ఎలిమెంటే ఉండాలి, సెకండ్ రోలో 2 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉండాలి, థర్డ్ రోలో 3 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉండాలి. ఇలా క్రియేట్ చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు నేను మ్యాట్రిక్స్ని. ఆర్ యు గెటింగ్ దిస్? I am creating matrix with some sizes, I know it, but I would like to create matrix with variable length, not a fixed length. Okay. If I am going to create a matrix with a variable length situation, that variable length arrays should be created in the form of jagged arrays. In jagged array, what is jagged array? A jagged array is a group of arrays. It's not a group of elements. It's a group of arrays. Very clear. జాగ్రత్త వినండి. జాగ్రత్త అరేస్ కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగానే వినాలి, కాన్సెప్ట్ని కొంచెం మీకు అర్థమయ్యేంత వరకు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇక్కడ నేను ఒక అరే సింటాక్స్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తానండి. ఎక్స్ ఇస్ ఏ మల్టీ డైమెన్షనల్ అరే. ఇందులో కూడా రోస్ కాలమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. నేను అందుకే 2 డైమెన్షనల్స్ ఇచ్చేసాను ఇక్కడ మీకు. ఈక్వల్ టు న్యూ ఇంట్, ఫస్ట్ దాన్ని ఫిక్స్ చేశాను. రోస్ యొక్క సైజ్ ఎంత?
2.
రోస్ యొక్క సైజ్ ఎంత ఇచ్చాను నేను?
2.
ఓకే. ఏది ఇవ్వలేదు?
కాలమ్స్ ఇవ్వలేదు.
డైనమిక్గా కాలమ్స్ పెంచుకుంటాను నేను.
ఓకే.
Are you getting it? I am not fixing the size of the columns. The column size will be dynamically extended. For example, here, just I would like to share one more document. Now the concept is clear to all of you now. Someone has put a message. Sir, you said that in Java we can increase size and decrease dynamically. Can you please? Okay. I am for that purpose. Someone messaged. I know who is pasted the message. I don't know. Now I am mentioning that program only. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Is the screen visible to you now? The document is visible to all of you now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah. Just clear observe. I am creating jagged array here. My jagged array name is X. new int of what's the size of the rows? 2 I have mentioned. That means very clear in the diagram you should know it. X is an array. X is an array of containing 2 arrays. Okay, not 2 elements. నేను అందుకే డెఫినేషన్ చెప్పానంటే జాగ్డ్ array is a group of arrays.
Arrays.
Jogged array is not a group of elements. It's a group of
Arrays.
arrays. Just here, it contains 2 arrays. First array is x of 0. Second array is x of 1. ఇంతకు ముందు నేను x of 0ని ఎలిమెంట్ అనేవాడిని. ఇప్పుడు ఎలిమెంట్ అంటలేదండి. దాన్ని ఏమంటున్నాను ఇప్పుడు నేను?
Group
x
of
of
arrays.
0 is an array. Now I am declaring the size of x of 0. చూడండి, న్యూ int of ఎంత ఇచ్చాను నేను? x of 0కి సైజ్ ఎంత ఇచ్చాను నేను?
2.
2 అంటే 2 కాలమ్స్ వస్తాయి. x of 1కి సైజ్ ఎంత ఇచ్చాను నేను?
3.
అంటే ఎన్ని కాలమ్స్ వస్తాయి?
3 columns.
లెంగ్త్ ఏమవుతుంది? చేంజ్ అవుతుందా అవ్వట్లేదా?
Yes, sir.
అంటే ఇది ఫిక్స్డ్ లెంగ్తా వేరియబుల్ లెంగ్తా?
Variable length.
ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? ఫస్ట్ యూ షుడ్ నో ఇట్. ఇప్పటిదాకా మన అరేస్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాం జావాలో. రోస్ కాలమ్ సైజ్ నువ్వే ఇచ్చేస్తున్నావు. అప్పుడు అది డైనమిక్ అవ్వదండి, అది స్టాటిక్ అయ్యి లొకేషన్ క్రియేట్ అయిపోతాయి. నేను అలా చేయాలనుకోవట్లేదు. నేను రో సైజ్ ఇస్తాను, కానీ ఏ సైజ్ ఇవ్వను? కాలమ్ సైజ్ ఇవ్వను. కాలమ్స్ని నేను డైనమిక్గా క్రియేట్ చేస్తాను. అప్పుడు నాకు ఫస్ట్ రోలో ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ కావాలా, 2 ఎలిమెంట్స్ కావాలా, నా రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ప్రకారం నేను అరే క్రియేట్ చేయడం స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను. దానివల్ల నాకు మెమొరీ ఏమవుతుంది?
Pay అవుతుంది.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ అండి. దట్స్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ జాగ్డ్ అరేస్. క్లియర్లీ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. వాట్ ఈస్ జాగ్డ్ అరే మీన్స్? జాగ్డ్ అరే ఈజ్ ఏ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ అరేస్. ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఏ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. The purpose of jogged array is to create variable length arrays. This concept is not available in C. This completely available in Java, because C completely static oriented programming, but in Java the main feature of Java is a dynamic nature. So నేను ఇక్కడ x అనే ఒక array తీసుకున్నాను, దానికి 2 లొకేషన్స్ ఇచ్చాను. అంటే అక్కడ 2 arrays ఉంటాయని తెలుసు. ఫస్ట్ array x of 0, second array x of 1. Now I am creating, okay, the size of x of 0, it contains 2 elements. I am creating x of 1 size, that is contains 3 elements. Okay, now just observe the diagram. What is the first location here? X of
0.
0.
0. First array, first row. It contains in how many elements?
2 elements.
X of 0 0, x of 0 1.
0 1.
Next, what is x of 1? This is the second array. How many elements it contains?
3.
3 elements. X of 1 0, x of 1
X of
1,
1 1.
x
X
of
of
1
1
2.
2.
Completely, these are fixed arrays or not? This is completely variable length arrays. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I would like to show the program also. I would like to explain the program, and we will run the program also. Yeah. So this is the main method. First, I am going to create x of the size is x2 or size 2, mentioning x of 0 and x of 1. How many elements that have to be entered? 2 elements. Okay, 10 and 11 I have entered here. In the second row, I have to enter 3 elements, 12, 13, 14, the elements I have mentioned here. For using for loop, I am going to display for int I equal to 0, I less than 2, I plus plus, the first row. For I equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus, the second row. Okay, that I am printing the elements. Just in the first row, what is printed? The output is displayed on the 10 11.
10
In the
11.
second row, what is printed?
12 13
13
14.
14. I am creating variable length arrays. Okay, that topic is completely called in Java as a jogged arrays. Okay, okay, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Just right. Wait, students, I am going to execute this program in is my screen visible now? Notepad screen visible to all of you now?
No,
Or
sir.
not? Oh, okay, okay. I'm sharing it. Wait. Wait, I am sharing the screen notepad to you. Yeah, just I am implementing the program. Okay, this is the common statement, that is create one-dimensional arrays of X. Okay. Just I would like to create int some X of 0, the first array, to assign values new int of size 2. And what is the second one? Int X of 1, second array, that equal to new int of what is the size, that is 3. Okay, what is the jogged array? Jogged array is X. How many rows it contains? 2. And that means how many arrays it contains? 2 arrays. The first array is X of 0 and the second array is X of 1. What is the size of X of 0? It is 2.
2.
And what is the size of X of 1 is 3.
3.
Yeah, okay. Right. Now, how to store elements in that array? I would like to. What is first one is 0, 0. X of 0, 0. The first element is 11. Just for example, 1. What is the second element? 0, 1. About first array, I am here about first array. And what about second array? X of 1, 0. That equal to some 3. X of 1,
1.
1. That equal to 4. And about X of 1, 2. That equal to 5. So in the first array it contains 2 elements. I am assigning 2 elements to X of 0. In the second array it contains 3 elements. I am assigning 3 elements to X of 1 also. Now my intention is to print. Okay. How to print? So for I equal to 0 and I less than, what is the size of first one? 2. So I mentioned X, I am printing about X of 0. So I mentioned the size, that is 2. And I plus plus. Okay, I'm opening the braces and write the statement system dot out dot print of. Okay, it's not print of X of. Okay, what is the value of that? That is X of 0 I. Okay, what that I am going to print is X of 0 I. Wait, I mean, is my screen visible to all of you now?
Yes, sir.
Is my screen visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. X of 0, I. Next. And again, I would like to print the x of 1 int some j equal to 0 and j less than the size is 3 and j plus plus. Okay, system dot out dot print of, okay, x of 1 j. So I'm closing the braces. ఓకే, ద థీమ్ అర్థమైనట్టే కదా. జావా యొక్క బ్యూటీ ఎక్కడ కనిపిస్తుంది అంటే స్టాటిక్ ఎలొకేషన్లో కనబడదు, డైనమిక్ ఎలొకేషన్లోనే కనబడుతుంది. మీరు ఇంటర్వ్యూస్కి వెళ్తే మిమ్మల్ని ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తారన్న క్వశ్చన్ ఎవరు అడగరు. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ట్రూత్. కంపల్సరీ దే హ్యావ్ ఆస్క్డ్ అబౌట్ ద వేరియబుల్ లెంగ్త్ అరేస్. కంప్లీట్లీ జాగ్డ్ అరే గురించి ఒక క్వశ్చన్ కంపల్సరీ వేస్తాడు. If you know about jogged array, that means you should know about the dynamic memory allocation of Java. Are you clear? Now I would like to run this. Java C. Name. Jogged.java. Is my screen visible? Notepad visible or command prompt visible? Just what I am sharing again. My command prompt Java C jogged.java. Okay, some errors I got it. The for loop. Yeah. Right. Java.io.star. Okay. Just mentioned it. Errors, what is? Okay, string ox. I have some errors, syntactical errors. I got it. String ox, S should be capital. Okay, new int of some int x. Int x of 0 equal to new int of 2, int x of 1 equal to new int of 3. So correct syntax is. Okay, just I mentioned it. Again, 17 errors I got. X of 1, 2. Topics. For int I equal to 0. Yes, I mentioned this. But that was there. Okay, just wait. I like to check where the error it is. Wait.